I'm Salvador Falcon III. I'm getting my MBA in the concentration of marketing, and I'll be graduating in 2020. I really feel that Drucker chose me in the recruiting process where there's so many great schools to choose from. I really felt that Drucker and their business program and faculty were able to invest just as much as energy and time that I would be investing in my journey for my MBA and my concentration. Well, what I'm experiencing now is how to be able to manage both others, whether I'm on a team or whether they're direct reports, but most importantly, how to manage myself. This early on in my MBA program, I'm able to really know how to manage myself in different scenarios that I'm already in within the professional network. With the marketing club just at its infancy, we can really mold it of what we want to do with it today and where we want to see it in the next 10 years. So right now is a perfect time for everyone to really get in tune with what they want to see the Drucker Marketing Club to be within the next 5 years and leave their own legacy. And what I envision it is to be able to connect both the alumni and the current students with whatever industry and whatever sector they want to take the marketing knowledge that we take from the Drucker Business School into their professional world. Peter Drucker being the new founding father of modern management, it's really, you can see the importance of it today in this new age of technology and this new age of social awareness. And it's not necessarily we're taking one course of Peter Drucker modern management. What it is we're able to take those real life aspects of modern management and his core philosophies, and we're able to integrate it and have it as a hybrid of every single step that we take, whether it's game theory or whether it's quantitative marketing. Whatever that aspect and content is, we're able to learn the Peter Drucker way, which is being socially responsible, and it's being consciously aware of not only who you're working with, but also yourself.